Hello traders, in this video we'll be doing a weekly analysis on the pair GBPJPY in multiple time frames for the upcoming week. Now by the end of this week's market close on Friday, we can see that GBPJPY on a weekly time frame, right after making a retest to this major key level, it faced this huge price ejection on the previous week, and in this week it followed with further bearish move, huge bearish move, and came all the way down to retest this key zone which we talked about in our previous weekly market analysis. And right after retesting that key zone, it faced this price ejection over here. Now GBPJPY coming all the way to retest this key zone with this bearish move and then facing this price ejection could either be a part of GBPJPY's move to create new higher high over here or retest this key level, or this bearish move could also be a part of GBPJPY's move towards making a new lower low to all the way come retest this key zone and probably make a retest on this uptrend line in continuation to this uptrend channel move that GBPJPY started all the way from here to all the way over here. As you can see, the price ejection that GBPJPY faced from this key level also made GBPJPY to close below this uptrend channel over here, followed by this bearish move. So there's a high chance of GBPJPY following up with further bearish move to come all the way retest this uptrend line once again as part of its continuation move to this uptrend channel over here. Now if you go to this daily time frame, then you can see on this daily time frame that GBPJPY made a breakout of this long-lasting uptrend line on a daily time frame over here with this bearish move to retest this key zone and found strong support around here. Now GBPJPY finding support around at this key zone and then gaining this bullish move after all this bearish move by breaking out of this uptrend line. So this move could also be a pullback move from GBPJPY after all this bearish move to continue coming down with further bearish move to all the way retest this key zone which we talked about in the weekly time frame as well. Or this move could also be a bullish engulfing move to come all the way retest this key level over here, which we're gonna determine by seeing if GBPJPY respects this key zone or like this high as its resistance zone or makes a break and close above this high with further bullish move. Similarly, if GBPJPY makes a break and close below this key zone, then we can expect GBPJPY to go down since it found strong support around at this key zone. Maybe if you go to this 4-hour time frame, you can see it even better. So in this 4-hour time frame, as you can see how GBPJPY, after following up with this bullish engulfing move, found support around at this key zone. As you can see, it tried to make a breakout of this key zone over here and even over here, but then again kept on finding a strong price ejection from this key zone, respecting that key zone as its support zone. And also you can see how it also retested as a support zone right over here, here, and even here. So that's a pretty important support zone which GBPJPY is currently respecting over here. And also if you draw an uptrend line, you can see a possible future uptrend line being formed, something looking like this. So GBPJPY on the upcoming week, if continues to respect this uptrend line and continues to respect this key zone as its support zone and continues to form higher lows, then it might continue come all the way to retest this key zone over here, and a break and close above that key zone from GBPJPY, or better yet a break and close above this high right around here, might lead GBPJPY to continue come all the way retest this key level over here, which we talked in our daily time frame as well, right around here. So you can wait to see if GBPJPY respects this key zone as its support zone, and in that analysis you can look for trades on the long side on GBPJPY. Similarly, you can also look for trades on the short side if you see GBPJPY makes a break and close below this key zone and makes a breakout of this uptrend line as well with further bearish move. In that case, you can look for trades on GBPJPY in hopes of GBPJPY coming to retest either this key zone or all the way retest this previous low right around here at this key zone. And that might also be a confirmation of GBPJPY made its pullback to the upside and might continue go down to probably make new lower low or all the way to retest this key zone over here. So that's my analysis on GBPJPY in multiple time frames for the upcoming week. And if this video helped you guys, then please make sure to hit the subscribe button down below, and also I'll give a link to this trading view chart in the video description as well, so you can click and see where all these key zones and all these trend lines and stuff are.